me show you. So I am just having some salami and Monterey jack cheese, I think. Yeah, this is from Starbucks. If you've never had it, they're actually really good. Get it with the butter croissant. 10 out of 10. Some blackberries, raspberries, and some mangoes. And then here's Fimo. Such a cutie patootie. These berries are so good. 10 out of 10. Good morning, guys. It's like about to be 7 a.m. I gotta go to work, but I really want to make a smoothie, so I'm gonna make one, and I'm very excited. So, isn't she pretty? It looks so funny, but this is a beet, and beets are so good. I'm gonna add it to my smoothie. Here she is. Taste test. Mmm. 10 out of 10. So good. My favorite smoothies to have ever. It's so beautiful and it's so good. So, I'm heading to work right now. It shouldn't be that bad. I have the next 2 days off, so I'm really excited about that. I have a few plans, which I'm actually really excited about too. So I work at a coffee shop, and I work like really close to the beach. So the most amazing thing in the world is that I don't have to take the freeway or nothing. I literally just take the highway, the Coast Highway 101, and drive there. It's nice. What's up, guys? I just got out of work. Yeah. So on my break, I went to this sandwich shop close to where I work. It's called Moto Deli. If you're ever in like the Carlsbad, Encinitas, Lucadia part of town, it's actually really good. I really like it. So they have like this superfood salad, which is so good. Look at this. Isn't she beautiful? Like, doesn't that look so good? I'm so excited. I got like a sweet potato curry earlier that I ate on my break. When I get home, I'm gonna eat this. If I can have it every day, I would. Like, this is my new obsession right now. So I'm gonna go home. I'm excited. I'm tired. You know what? I'm gonna go to the beach. That sounds like fun. I'm gonna go home, eat my salad, take my journal, take my book, go to the beach, lay out there, and get in the water for a little bit and just chill. So I'm excited. So I'll see you guys when I get there. this guy almost run me over. I was literally just walking inside the little shopping thing, whatever, where you go inside and pay for gas, and I was trying to go get gas and stuff, and this guy, huge ass truck, literally almost run me over. I was like, are you kidding me right now? He was going so fast. It's like, dude, you're at a gas station. Why are you going like 80 miles per hour right now? I should have let him run me over so I can get college tuition or something. But seriously, what the hell? And then I got a yerb. But going to the beach now. So excited. Wow. Literally just wow. I feel so good right now. Like, so good. I got into the ocean. I thought it was gonna be like super cold. I thought it was gonna be like super cold, and generally like it was, but I could stand it and I got in like automatically. I can do this. I went in so good. I feel so refreshed. I didn't go in for that long because I also didn't want to like die. The current was like really strong, and I found myself like going in, like the ocean was taking me in, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna stay here. Not that I can't handle it, but I'm gonna go home, hang out with BMO, and I feel so good. So yeah. So I showered and ate. I had some curry. It was so fire, so good. I feel so good right now. I feel refreshed. I feel like just so good. So I was thinking I can go to Target because I need to buy a BMO some Friskies, like the little wet food that he likes. So I'm gonna go buy him some of that, and then maybe just shop around. I don't know. We'll see. I'm excited though. So. Hey guys, I just got back from Target and I was thinking I could do a haul. So, let's see. It's like my bag will be here. I got clothes, I know. But I'm really happy about it because fall is coming up, as we know. And I have a lot of sweaters and I have a lot of like fall clothing because I'm a big sweater, hoodie, jacket person. That's generally what I really like. So, I saw this and I want to wear it tomorrow. Isn't it cute? Like, look at that. It's like cropped and it's like
knit. It's so cute, and I was like really happy with it, and I was like, dude, I really want to get this. I got it like a larger size because I like it when it fits baggy with me. I don't like when it fits like tight to my skin. I feel like it's kind of weird, but I thought it was so cute. Okay, I've seen this next thing before at Target already, and I didn't get it last time because I wasn't really sure if I wanted it, and I haven't really been wearing dresses, but fall is coming up, and I was like, well, I feel like this would be a really good I was thinking this would be like a really good way to spice it up for myself. I don't know, I feel like it's pretty basic too, who cares, but it's this really pretty dress, and it's like brown. Let's look at the back of it. Like, isn't that cute? With like a black top underneath it. Like, that is so cute. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this. And then I got 2 candles. I got one for my mom. This one is Twilight's Fall Scented Candle. It smells really, really good. And then I got the Sage and Eucalyptus, which smells really good too. Literally, all this stuff was so expensive. I only got, what, 6 things? And like, I paid almost $100, which is so weird. And then for BMO, we have carpet, and he tends to like, I guess like pee a little bit. Sometimes he'll pee like a little bit. It's so weird.
What is it? What is it, little sir? What?
I got this like clean thing just because it helps when I like put it on certain areas. One time he peed in the closet. I don't even know why. Cats don't really do that. I was really surprised when he did it. I don't know. I got this, and I just can't forget this. Not a Friskies because he is obsessed with these. He's obsessed with these, and he goes crazy. I'll show you guys. Just got one of these. I don't know what he's doing over here, but look.
Yes, look, we're gonna go get you some by your food bowl.
He's obsessed. So I had to go get him some. Okay, let's go. He's so funny because every time I'm walking, he always gets in my way. He's in love.
Right, BMO? You're in love? You're in love?
Having a cat is so peaceful. Seriously though, having a cat is like seriously so amazing because they're so cute. BMO is literally like my best friend. It's so funny because I enjoy waking up to him. I don't enjoy going to work and like leaving him. That makes me sad, but like I enjoy coming home and seeing him like at the window, as you guys have seen. He just sparks joy in my life. I didn't know I needed a cat that badly, but he is literally like the best thing in my entire life. I don't know what I would do without him. He's amazing. BMO is so funny, dude. Like, he does the most funniest things in the entire world. Like, he makes the most funniest faces. Like, I'm serious. He makes faces, and it's hilarious. And he meows a lot, even though it's kind of annoying. It's okay, 'cause I love him.
Right? You meow a lot? You do? You meow a lot?
He's not a cuddler, though. I make him cuddle with me, though. So, it's fine. Every once in a while. But you need to get a cat. Like, this is your sign that you need to go get a cat, because seriously, they're amazing. Literally, they're so easy to take care of too, because all you gotta do is feed them and be around them. And sometimes they don't want you to pet them, you know. You don't gotta do all that work where you have to walk them 3 times a day. You just play with them like, what, an hour a day, chill, It's fun. I mean, you will get some love marks on your body, some scratches on your hands. I don't have that many right now, but they're amazing. So that is my TED Talk. Thank you for coming.